Hi guys, Steph here. Now, occasionally I get emails or messages sent to me from people asking me whether I have a specific part for a fountain pen. Now, unfortunately, I do not keep a stock of spare parts. Yes, I have a few spare parts, some clips, some nibs, etc. for personal use. But as far as having a stock of spare parts, unfortunately, I don't have any. I do have the odd pen that, yeah, it will be a donor pen, so I can take a part of that particular pen. But yeah, I don't keep a stock of spare parts, unfortunately. So, just like some of you people that inquire or send me a message and say, would you have this particular part or that particular part? Sometimes or most times the answer is no, I don't. Now, I also have pens that are waiting for a specific part. I've got quite a few nice ones that, yeah, just need a clip or just a part for that particular pen to finish it off. So what I have to do is like you people out there, I have to go online, contact dealers, go online, search for a specific part. Um, on the odd occasion, if you live near where they do a pen show, go and attend a pen show. You may find the part there. But yeah, generally, for me personally, I do have to search online like you people have to as well. Now, to give you an example, from one of my recent pen hauls, a gentleman saw a pen and he reserved it subject to full restoration. And that pen is this one here. So as you can see there, it's a lovely pen, but unfortunately, as you can see, it's missing the clip. And here's that pen in question. It comes in a lovely Conway Stewart box. If we take it out, you can see it's got the instructions inside the box there as well. But here's that pen in question. Now, it's been fully restored. Everything has been disassembled, cleaned, etc. New sack fitted. And as you can see there, it's now got a lever. Now, where did I get that particular lever from? Once again, I had to search online. And in this particular case, I went on eBay and I found this pen here. Okay, you can see the lever's missing, but apart from that, it's not actually too bad. But it was actually, if we could take the section off, and then inside there you go, we've got the pressure bar. The lever was inside as well, loose. Okay, and it was actually being sold as a pen for spares. Now, as I said, the nice thing about it, the lever was inside the barrel, so it was already loose. So that saved me a little bit of work removing it. And you can see there, it doesn't actually have the C, the retaining C ring inside. But why it was loose, I don't know. But hey ho, it came in useful for me. So that's where I found this particular part on eBay, and a pen that was being, yeah, it was described as basically spares or repairs. So when I received it, I got the lever. It was a little bit on the dirty side. I've cleaned everything up. I've given it a little bit of polish. We've put a brand new retaining C-ring inside, and it's now in full working order. Okay, so that's basically a nice result as far as I'm concerned. As I said, this pen has been reserved, subject to finding the lever and a full restoration, and it's now ready to go to the new owner across the pond. But what a gorgeous pen. If we show you the barrel imprint, you can see it's a Conway Stewart 73, made in England, in this gorgeous green hatch pattern. Incidentally, the gentleman that's actually bought it has actually bought this particular model in different... I think he's actually bought a blue one and a green one from me. Not a green one, sorry. A blue one and a red one. And he was just missing a green one, which I found. He saw it, he reserved it, and it's ready to go to join his little collection. The size of this pen capped from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, 135 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's a nice 11 millimeters in diameter. You can see it's in beautiful condition. It's got this, well, it's got the gold-filled, gold-plated lever, as we've shown you. It's got the 3 cap bands, as you can see there. Quite a long Conway Stewart clip. And then to the very top, we've got this black stud or finial to the top of the cap. And you can see nice and clearly, it's a beauty. This particular model is from, well, around about 1958, I believe, through to early 1960s. And if we just unscrew the cap for you, show you the pen in a couple of different angles. So it's nice to know the gentleman will now have, because in this particular model, I think there was only 3 different colours in this hatch pattern. And as he actually said to me when he reserved it, this will complete the collection for the hatched 73s for him. You've got a section there, quite long, little ridge towards the nib there. And if we show you the nib, it's got the Conway Stewart 14 karat gold. And then to the bottom, the number 4, which is the correct nib for this particular model. There's a sideways view for you. The feed, quite a plain standard Conway Stewart feed, as you can see underneath there. Everything, as always, has been thoroughly cleaned. Even the feed and the ink channels on the feed, they all get thoroughly cleaned. Okay, so a very nice pen, a lovely size, even with my large hands. Now, because I've restored it, because there's a new sack in it, and it's going to the new owner, I'm not going to fill the pen. But what we'll do, let's just see how the pen writes. So I'm just going to do a dip test. We've got the ink to the right here. Let's just see how it writes. So what we've got is a Conway Stewart, and as we've said, this is the number 73, made in England around about, well, as we said, around about 1958. I believe it's 1963. There's no flex to the nib. It's writing very nicely indeed, and you can see it's writing with a fine line. So there we have it, writing nicely with a lovely fine line. No flex to the nib, as I've said, but a lovely writer. Let's just give that a clean. We'll clean that nib after the video, and we'll get it in the post across the pond to the lucky new owner. So there we have it. If you don't reserve the pen, if you don't see a pen that you like, if you don't enquire, you will lose out. This gentleman saw the pen, reserved it, and was happy just to wait until I actually sourced a lever for the pen, which I did, and he's now getting a lovely, gorgeous pen. There we go. So the lever is in working order. As we've said, new sack in it, and it's ready to go. So there we have it. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at this pen as much as I enjoyed showing them to you people. Don't forget, down below, don't be shy, leave a comment. Give the video a thumbs up if you will as well. Don't forget to subscribe. But for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini from me and this beautiful pen. Bye-bye for now.